A light theme creates a fresh and professional look that keeps the focus on your product. Open Canva and start a new product poster using the dimensions that suit your project. Select a white or light neutral background to create a clean foundation. Go to the Elements panel and add subtle geometric shapes using soft colors to organize the layout without making it feel crowded. Upload your product image and position it prominently so it naturally captures attention. Add a bold headline, product description, pricing, and a simple call to action using modern fonts with strong contrast against the light background. Use your brand colors for buttons, highlights, or promotions.